Hi everyone, PAC-PREZ here, and today we're coming to you with an ask. We'd like to find out from you whether an idea we've come up with is really a good idea or not, if there's ways we can improve it, if there's things we can do to make it even better. And as far as we know, we're going to be the first manufacturer ever to reach out to you and say, hey, have we done a good job or not? And what we're looking for is some information about a product we're going to call the TL88. For those of you that can get us information, constructive feedback through the survey, we're going to enter all of you into a drawing, and 5 of you will win a Make Padlocks Great Again hat, and there'll be one grand prize winner that will be the person that we absolutely send one of our new prototypes to, the next phase of this process. You'll get one of our prototypes, and we'll ask you for your help in telling us whether it's doing a good job or not. Are there other tweaks that we need to make? That's the next phase. There might be a lot of solutions out there to lock up your trailer when it's both attached to your vehicle or not attached to your vehicle. There's a lot of solutions that do a great job of that, and we're not here to discuss whether they're great security or not great security, whether the cylinders are great or not great. The biggest problem that's out there is that you can't key these solutions into the myriad of other solutions that you have for your trailer, whether it's the back door, whether it's your generator, or it might just be all the other padlocks that you have. All these other solutions that are out there have a very unique key that comes from a factory that doesn't key into anything else. You've been asking us to come up with something. We've been a busy little company, but now we're ready. We've developed a concept that we think is going to do what you want it to do, and that concept's based on our PACLOCK series with some changes to it that we think you'll like, but in the end, we want to get your feedback. So what we're asking for is for you to watch this video. We'll walk you through what we've done, and then when it's all over, we've got a Google site set up for you to give us some feedback. You can give us your feedback through the comments, or you can give us your feedback through the Google site. Okay, so what you're looking at now is a 3D rendering of our new TL88 product on top of a trailer hitch. And it's based on our PACLOCK design. And if you're not familiar with our PACLOCK design, you can go review LockPickingLawyer and BosnianBill's reviews. We'll post links to them here. In essence, it's a shutter lock, but with a twist in that it's using a cylinder based on the cylinder we use for our hockey pucks. And then this cylinder has the ability to be keyed into everything else that we have. The real trouble with trying to design a quote-unquote high security lock for these trailer couplers is that the hole that the shaft needs to go through, the hole that the shackle needs to go through, is really pretty small. At best, you're getting about a 1/4 inch of a diameter to go through there. And with a lot of the designs that are out there today, you either have that 1/4 inch exposed and easy to cut, or it's a design that uses a lot of die-cast parts. And we didn't want to do that. So what PACLOCK's done is we've taken our PACLOCK and we've modified it so that not only can you use an existing cylinder of ours, but it'll fit on just about every trailer coupler that's out there. So what we've done is we've taken the PACLOCK and we've modified it so that the cylinder will now fit. It's got a much smaller diameter shackle, so that shackle can fit through the trailer coupler lock. And we've made it to where you can key it into all of the other PACLOCKs available out there. Also, just as importantly, now you'll have a lock that you can count on when your trailer is attached to your vehicle. Sure, there's lots of solutions out there that you can use when your trailer is not attached to a vehicle, but when it is attached, you need a better solution today. And that's what we think the TL88 is going to do for us. Now let me talk through a couple options when it comes to the body itself. PACLOCK tends to like to start with an aluminum body as we're manufacturing products because it's relatively easy and it gives us an opportunity to get products out to consumers and get feedback about what people think of it. Then we tend to step up to a hardened steel option. Now some of you seem to be interested in stainless steel as well. So we're going to offer to you, as a part of the survey, the choice. Do you think we start aluminum? Do we go straight to hardened steel? Or do you want us to go straight into a 304 stainless steel? Keep in mind, if we go aluminum, you're going to see in the downloadable file, the 3D PDF, that there are a couple stainless steel rods that are going to get press fit into the padlock to strengthen the aluminum version we have, hoping to prevent thieves from just cutting off your aluminum padlock. So even though it's aluminum, we think it's a smart solution because now we've added in features that'll increase the security of that aluminum body. If we go hardened steel, those pins won't be there, as well as with the stainless steel option, no pins. You'll notice that the locking pins for the shackle are deliberately positioned so that they're facing down as you're installing it. Those will make it very difficult to go after those pins. In addition, they're press fit in with a 100-ton press. So even if you try and bang them out, it'll be very, very, very difficult. The TL88 will come with our PAC band, our replaceable protection for the cylinders to try and keep debris and grime out. That's really about it for the features and our thoughts. In terms of the pricing, our guess right now, if we took this to market, if we want an aluminum body, we figure it's going to be a retail price of $62. If we go with a hardened steel body, about $85. And if we then move to a 304 stainless steel body, plan on about $93 for a retail price. So we'd really appreciate any feedback and all of your feedback. We'll take it any way we can get it from you, social media, in the comments on the YouTube video. Ideally, you put them up into the Google form that we're going to have for you. In the end, though, we value all of your help and we value your feedback. So let us know what you think. All right, everyone, that just about wraps it up. Not only am I interested in getting your feedback about the product that we're coming out with, but I definitely like your feedback to say, hey, Greg, this is a great idea. Keep doing more like this. We want to be a part of what you're doing. We like being a part of the PACLOCK team and the PACLOCK family, and we definitely like being a part of a company that's out here to make padlocks great again. So thanks for watching, and let us know what you think.